Pour Coca-Cola on your feet, and the results will exceed your expectations. But first, take a regular bar of soap and grate it using a coarse grater. The soap will serve as the base of the product. In a small pot, place 3 tablespoons of grated soap and add a cup of Coca-Cola. It has cleansing properties, dissolves impurities, and helps regenerate dry, calloused skin. Simmer on low heat, stirring until fully dissolved. Now, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, followed by 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Coffee is rich in antioxidants and has exfoliating properties. Mix everything well and cook for another 2 minutes. Once the mixture cools, apply it evenly to your feet. Wrap them in plastic wrap to create an occlusive effect, allowing better absorption. Put on socks to retain warmth and enhance the mask's effectiveness. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Your skin will be noticeably softer, smoother, and refreshed. This simple homemade mask is a perfect way to care for your feet. Rub your knee with a lemon and see the results quickly. All you need is 1 lemon, cut into smaller pieces. Lemons are not only a rich source of vitamin C, but also a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Their juice supports skin regeneration and effectively soothes muscle and joint pain. Prepare a large jar and place the lemon pieces inside. Now, add a handful of cloves. Cloves are valued for their strong pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to eugenol, which helps ease joint and muscle pain. Next, add 5 crushed bay leaves. These leaves support circulation, reduce inflammation, and accelerate tissue regeneration. Another key ingredient is a tablespoon of coarse salt, which relaxes muscles and reduces swelling. Finally, pour alcohol over the ingredients until the jar is half full. Seal it tightly, shake well, and refrigerate for at least 3 days. After this time, the mixture will be ready to use. Simply massage the liquid into sore areas such as knees, elbows, or wrists. Regular use will help significantly reduce pain and improve mobility. Try this simple remedy and experience its effectiveness. Place a bay leaf on your hands. This is what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful for more than just cooking. If you struggle with joint pain, pain in your hands or shoulders, this remedy works better than smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this to ease their pains. Simply take a glove and put a few bay leaves inside, then go to sleep. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves help relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also soothe muscle pain and help with sprains and strains. How does it work? The glove creates a higher temperature through contact with the skin, causing the leaves to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people are still unaware of it and waste money on ointments. It's worth trying this method before turning to chemical remedies from the pharmacy. Drink this before bedtime, and the effects will surprise you. It dissolves everything you've eaten throughout the day. This green beverage is a natural weight loss remedy. It boosts metabolism and aids in easy elimination. Effectively combating constipation, it's simple and inexpensive to prepare. Take 3 smaller cucumbers and peel them. Cucumbers are excellent for hydrating the body, providing numerous vitamins and minerals. They act as antioxidants, aid in constipation issues, support weight loss, and regulate blood sugar levels. Chop the cucumbers into smaller pieces and place them in a container for crushing. Add clean, fresh mint leaves. Mint stimulates the secretion of digestive juices. Squeeze the juice from a lemon and pour it into the container with cucumbers and mint. Lemon primarily alleviates heartburn symptoms and aids digestion. Include a small piece of ginger with the cucumbers and mint. Ginger stimulates the production of saliva, gastric juices, and bile. Pour around 300 to 400 milliliters of water. Blend everything, strain it through a sieve, and pour it into glasses. Drink it every night before bedtime. It takes literally a moment to make. Use it for at least a week, and you'll feel the results. Your metabolism will improve, and you'll experience significant relief. It supports weight loss, leaving you feeling noticeably lighter. Place this on your foot. Just 1 ingredient, and you won't need to spend money at the pharmacy anymore. My grandmother always used this method and it works overnight. Here's how. Take 1 red onion and chop it into small pieces. Next, grab a paper towel and spread the chopped onion evenly on it. Place this mixture against the sole of your foot and wrap your foot with plastic wrap. The plastic wrap helps the onion's compounds absorb into your skin. Onions are rich in sulfur compounds, which give them their distinctive smell. When applied to the feet, these compounds penetrate the body, helping to fight bacteria and viruses while cleansing the blood of toxins. Put on socks to secure everything in place. If possible, leave it on overnight or for at least 4 hours. The onion also stimulates various pressure points on the feet, helping to relax the entire body while drawing out toxins through the skin. This simple, natural remedy is an easy way to detox your body without lifting a finger and without spending a fortune at the pharmacy.
This natural mixture cuts cough like a knife. You will stop coughing immediately, and your throat will stop hurting. It acts as a shield against the flu. Take a large orange. Cut off its end. Using a knife and a spoon, scoop out the pulp. The orange boosts the immunity of mucous membranes and seals the walls of blood vessels, preventing viruses from entering the body. It is rich in vitamin C, which makes the course of the illness milder. Take a clove of garlic. Chop it into small cubes. It contains allicin, a substance that has antibiotic properties. It soothes coughs and inflammations. Put it into the hollowed orange. Next, take a piece of ginger. Peel it and cut it into pieces. It has a warming effect, reduces low-grade fever, alleviates accompanying infection-related headaches, muscle aches, and sore throat. It thins mucus and soothes coughs. Add ginger pieces to the orange. Pour a tablespoon of honey over the mixture. It has antibacterial properties and helps to eliminate bacteria from the body faster. It has expectorant properties, aiding the process of clearing the respiratory passages. It transforms dry cough into a wet one, allowing the expulsion of mucus. Close the orange and leave it for 2 hours. When the ingredients combine, the mixture will be almost ready. Take a citrus juicer. Squeeze the orange with the mixture on it. The juicer strainer will drain the garlic and ginger pieces. Pour the mixture into a small jar. The dosage for children under 2 years old is 2 teaspoons per day. Adults can drink the entire mixture at once.
All it takes is a few mint leaves, and you won't be spending money at the pharmacy anymore. My grandmother always did this. Mint is known for its soothing and cooling properties. If you grow mint on your balcony, even better. It won't have any harmful substances. Pick a few leaves. When your feet are tired and you want to reduce swelling or discomfort, start with a gentle massage. This will stimulate circulation and relax your feet. Grab some socks that you can sleep in. Put them on and slip a few mint leaves into each sock. If possible, keep the mint leaves in overnight, or at least for 4 hours. Mint has antibacterial properties, which will help eliminate foot odor, and it will also improve the quality of your sleep. The aromatic properties of mint will provide relaxation and better sleep. This trick will help you sleep better. Putting mint leaves in your socks overnight has numerous health benefits.